What is Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA? You may benefit from Amazon's extensive consumer base and distribution network by using the Amazon Fulfillment business model. As previously mentioned, Amazon will warehouse your goods, complete orders, and even handle customer care, allowing you to focus on other areas of the business. This means that business owners can act like large corporations without having to deal with the hassle of really being one. You may concentrate on identifying business prospects for products while Amazon takes care of the rest. You need to plan the logistics of promptly distributing things to your clients in a normal e-commerce business. But with FBA, Amazon Prime members often receive their goods delivered to their doors in 2 to 5 days. Inventory management and additional product listing can complicate your business, which is another problem with an e-commerce store. FBA requires only that you deliver the goods to an Amazon warehouse. The company will handle the rest. Without considerably increasing your burden, you can quickly expand your product line and inventories. 5 benefits of FBA. 1. Outsourcing fulfillment frees you up to handle higher-level tasks. 2. You and your customers benefit from Amazon's perks. 3. Scalability is built in. 4. You don't need to pound the pavement for customers. 5. Reduced costs mean increased profits. 3 challenges of an FBA business. 1. It's a jungle in there. 2. You might need to be more hands-on than you think. 3. You'll need a game plan for growth.